I am Dr.R.K.Tak, Department of Chemistry, SPC Government College Ajmer. Today we will study about the third year topic, that is NMR. First of all, would like to explain about the basics of the NMR. In this studies, we will understand about the introduction and the theories of the NMR. First of all, would like to define about the NMR, that is nuclear magnetic resonance. NMR is nothing but it is a spectroscopy technique which is based on the absorption of electron magnetic radiations in the radio frequency region, that is 4 to 900 megahertz by nuclei of the atoms. Proton nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy is one of the most powerful tools for elucidating the number of hydrogen of protons in the compound. Hydrogen, carbon and fluoride are the examples by which we can understand the NMR studies. Theories of NMR. The spin quantum number is related to the atomic and mass number of the nucleus. Elements which are either odd mass or odd atomic number have the property of nuclear spin. Would like to explain about the principles of the NMR. The theory of the behind NMR comes from the spin of the nucleus and it generates the magnetic field. First of all, would like to explain about the magnetic field. Without an external applied magnetic field, the magnetic spins are the random in directions. Means these are the random in directions. They can go here and there. But when an external magnetic field B0 is present, the nucleus align themselves there's either with the and against the field of the external magnet. If an external magnetic field is applied, an energy transfer can be shown by these figures is possible between the ground state or excited state. When the spin returns to its ground state level, the absorbed radio frequency energy is emitted at the same frequency level. The emitted radio frequency signals that gives the NMR spectrum of the concerned nucleus. It can also be explained by these examples. The emitted radio frequency is directly proportional to the strength of the applied field, which can be denoted by V. The B0 is the external magnetic field experienced by the proton, and the magnetogeric ratio, that is ratio between nuclear magnetic moment and angular moment, can be shown with this NMR spectrum. In this NMR spectrum, we draw a spectrum in between intensity and the frequency, which can easily be shown by the downfield and upfield of the molecules. The NMR spectrum is a plot of intensity of NMR signals versus the magnetic field frequency in reference to TMS. So we can understand the NMR easily by showing these slides by NMR. ये देखना बंद हो गया. Yes.